Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to use match type in ABAQUS when you have a gap between slave and master. The example today is I want to tie this part to this below part, but it has 2 milli of gap between master and slave. So how do I tie to match with this gap? The answer is use the position tolerance. To have solver file slave load that should be on the master slave. But this value must be a little bit bigger than gap between slave and master to make sure all the slave will be tied on master surface, and by default tolerance you will be record this warning message that node was that no node was adjusted, and your analysis will be something like this. The force was applied on the upper part, but the upper part will only moving. The below part was not tied with the slave part. And with the tolerance that not big enough, all your slave load may not be not tied to master, and your mass will be something like this. This is tolerance equal the gap. So this value must be a little bit bigger than gap between slave and master. Okay. Thank you for listening. Bye.